Thank you, everyone. Now this next song I'm gonna sing, it's called Oran and it's actually Scottish. It's a song to celebrate the return of the Stone of Destiny, as it's called, to Scotland. The Stone of Destiny is where traditionally Scottish monarchs would be crowned during their coronations, and in the 13th century it was actually brought to England. So it was stolen and brought to England, where their English monarchs would then be crowned upon the stone. But that was until the 1950s, when a group of college students actually went to England, took the Stone of Destiny and brought it back to Scotland. And a few decades later, it was officially returned to Scotland. So yeah, this song is just to celebrate that stone being returned back to Scotland by these particularly brave college students.
Liam